Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening a website or another app to confirm your internet is working. If internet is slow, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refresh your network connection. You can also restart your phone. This clears small system issues that may stop Telegram from connecting. Update the Telegram app. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Telegram. Update if available. An old version can cause connection problem. If Telegram still won't connect, close the app completely and reopen it. Next, check Telegram data setting. For that, go to the setting, scroll down and tap data and storage. Make sure cellular data is turned on if you are not using Wi-Fi. Another important step is to turn off VPN or proxy. If you are using VPN, Telegram may not connect properly. For that, turn it off and try again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.